Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate Asana rules for task routing and approval step by step clearly. Open Asana and navigate to your desired project. Take a moment to review the layout of your project. Look for the Customize button, usually found in the top right corner. Click on the Customize button to open the customization menu. Scroll down to find the Rules section. Click on Add Rule to create a new rule. You will see a variety of pre-made rule options. Choose the option that best fits your task routing needs. If no pre-made option suits your requirements, select Create a Custom Rule. Now, define the trigger for your rule. Select a trigger that will initiate the task routing or approval process. For example, you might choose Due Date Approaches or Task Assigned. Next, configure the action that follows the trigger. Decide what you want Asana to do when the trigger occurs. You could route the task to a different section or notify a team member. Fill in any required details for your selected action. Once you've defined your trigger and action, click Create Rule. You should now see your new rule listed. To enable your rule, toggle the switch next to it. Test the rule by creating a new task that meets the trigger criteria. Verify that the task routing or approval works as intended. If adjustments are needed, return to the Customize menu to edit the rule. Continue refining as necessary to meet your team's workflow needs. Once satisfied with the settings, you're all set to enhance your project management with effective rules. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.